In this research, we present Haptic PLASTeR, which is a soft, thin, light and flexible haptic display. Haptic PLASTeR uses the dielectric elastomer actuator, DEA, called e-rubber, which is composed of slide ring polymer material, SRM. The use of SRM-based DEA enables ease of control as compared to related haptic displays and customized by changing the design of the haptic display. Therefore, it can be used for various applications such as wearable haptic system for daily life or haptic transmission system for medical use. Haptic PLASTeR consists of a DEA called e-rubber, composed of SRM and soft materials that does not impair the e-rubber's softness. The e-rubber is a DEA developed by Toyota Gosei that uses stacked SRM coated with elastic electrodes. By applying the voltage to the electrode, the rubber material shrinks and e-rubber actuates. The SRM inside the e-rubber is a polymer material whose cross-linking point is H-shaped and that can point and move freely. On the other hand, the cross-linking points of conventional polymer materials are fixed. As a result, SRM has unique characteristics of small hysteresis loss and small pre-stretching, unlike conventional polymer materials, which developed into the Haptic PLASTeR. Haptic PLASTeR has the properties that outputs waveform near the input voltage waveform that can be obtained because of small hysteresis loss and pre-stretching. Unlike other vibration motors and speakers, Haptic PLASTeR is good at working in low frequency. It is also possible to present soft haptic feedback. Based on this, by changing the design of the haptic display, it can be used for various applications. As applications, we attempt to feedback the soft feeling by installing Haptic PLASTeR on smart wristwatches. We also attempt feedback on soft feelings such as wind generated in VR application by installing Haptic PLASTeR on the HMD. In addition, haptic display for daily life, Haptic PLASTeR attempts to reproduce the haptic sensation of the object shown on the screen by attaching to a pen tablet for internet shopping. Transmission application, we target user groups such as patients who may have difficulty attending medical appointments regularly. In such a situation, a system that can remotely transmit the data such as a heartbeat is beneficial. Since Haptic PLASTeR is a soft haptic display, it can produce a high fidelity heartbeat, like feedback in this context. A patient wears a haptic sensor on their finger and touches their wrist to acquire their heartbeat, and the system transmits the pulsation to the remote physician. The remote physician can feel the pulsation of the patient as a vivid haptic sensation through the haptic display worn on the finger for preliminary evaluations.